Today on Stirring the Pot, Cannabis Syrup. What you will need is 1/8 of flour, a grinder, a cup of water, a cup of sugar, 1 ounce of glycerin, a spoon, and a cheesecloth. To start, you will want to decarb your cannabis. To do this, you will spread cannabis evenly on a baking tray and bake at 230 for 30 to 45 minutes. While decarbing your cannabis, put 1 cup of water and a cup of sugar in a pot and bring to a boil. Once the water and sugar mixture are boiling, you will add your decarbed flour. Make sure to stir the flour into the water and sugar and let simmer for 30 to 45 minutes. After simmering for 30 to 45 minutes, you will remove from heat and add your 1 ounce of glycerin and allow to sit for an extra 10 to 15 minutes to allow all THC to get extracted. After the 10 to 15 minutes, you will pour into a cheesecloth and make sure all flour is removed from the syrup. And there you have it, cannabis syrup. This can be incorporated in a drink, which we will show you next time on Stirring the Pot.